This is how to properly use a portable jump starter or battery pack to jumpstart your dead car battery. The process is very easy and highly DIY friendly, even for absolute beginners. First, remove the battery jumper from its storage. This can be a hard case, a soft one, or anywhere the portable jump starter normally sits when not in use. Second, attach the battery jumper clamps to the body of the jumper if they are designed separately. Usually, the marking where this goes will have something to the effect of 12-volt out printed close to it. Third, attach the battery jumper clamps to the battery cable terminals, starting with the positive clamp first. The positive clamp will usually be red in color and have a plus sign on it. Make sure you hook it exactly to the battery cable terminal, plus for plus. Do the same for the black negative terminal. Careful that the black negative clamp of the jumper goes to the black negative battery terminal, usually denoted with a negative sign. Fourth, with the clamps securely in place, power on the portable battery jumper and wait for between 5 and 10 seconds. Depending on the make or model of jumper you have, you may hear some initialization clicks indicating that it's right to crank the vehicle. Clicks or not, crank your vehicle after about 10 seconds of the connection. Fifth, after your motor rolls to life, power off the battery jumper box, detach the clamps and put the unit back into storage for the next time when you will be in need of its services again. If this short, concise and straight to the point auto DIY tip helped you, consider subscribing and enabling notifications so that you don't miss any of the action. This isn't goodbye. Catch ya on the next one.